Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Vechain update for Friday 4th of March, and please join the Discord if you're new to the channel, and I need you to join the Discord. Basically, that's your home. This is your home actually. So yeah, let's talk about Vechain once again. And it seems like you have made something very cool right here. I'm actually gonna show you a chart pattern that I do recognize right now, and this is on the 4 hour time frame, and I'm gonna in my opinion this is kind of bullish, sorry, bearish pattern that has formed with VeChain. And the problem with VeChain is that it never really came down to this neckline to be supported, guys. So this was a big fake out. It was a big fake out, and then you came down, and now you're still inside this consolidation box that I draw 3 days ago, and you're really not doing anything. You're just again moving sideways, and potentially you don't have a clear winner. And in my opinion, this is really important. The retest of this neckline is really important. And now that you have already made print out some few candles, a story has been given for us. The script is there, the story is there. And what is the story? What I'm gonna do is actually I don't remember the name, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of Google. And I do remember the reversal. Actually, let me do this reversal bottom pattern. In my opinion, I just want to know if we had that one. Okay, yard charts. Okay, so the yard charts is a website that I saw a long time ago, and top reversal pattern and yard charts. Okay, so this one was a top one. Just a minute, bear with me. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So top reversal, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, and if you look at VeChain did something very similar. Okay, so what you see here is a little bit of an uptrend. We saw the uptrend on the 4 hour time frame. Let me zoom in into the details so that we can actually discuss if this yard charts is gonna play out the top reversal pattern. Okay, so here we are, and what you did here is you did have an uptrend on the 4 hour time frame, mini uptrend, small uptrend of course. And from there, what did you do? You went in a trading range high band and the trading range low band. So this was the trading range high band, and this was the trading range low band. Okay, and then what you did is you actually up break. You went to the upside, one green candle and a red candle next to it. So one green candle and the next red candle next to it, and then what you did, you went back into this trap. Now the thing is that the top, it hasn't played out, but it's really mirroring this one right now. The problem is that when you came down, you were supposed to actually lose this level as well. The only thing you didn't do is you did came down, but you still didn't lose that level to go down. Now still you have to be careful, because that top reversal pattern from the yard charts that I saw is this one, and that's a bearish pattern. It's not bullish, and you can see already it's not bullish at all. It means a downfall can happen. Now let's look at this one. You can see there's an example right there. Okay, so something like this potentially can happen, boom, and then you go down, right? So it's very similar to all these things that you see that that VeChain is actually doing right now. So yep, this is what I'm expecting from Solana as well. The break to the upside from inverse head and shoulder and its retest was very important, and that retest has never really happened. Okay, so this retest come down here is really important. Now even if you don't do that and you start to actually cross back again, then in my opinion this top reversal chart from the R charts is not going to play out. It's going to be abandoned completely. Now that was a nice good fake out to the upside, that hey, I'm gonna go. Even for a minute I was actually like, yay, it's gonna go up. So many people do say that the charts don't work. Actually the charts works, and they make sense most of the time. It's just that we are technically not good enough to judge the chart reading in itself. Now Bitcoin is actually really oversold on the 4 hour time frame. I don't think VeChain at this point of time is gonna dump anytime soon, but maybe Saturday and Sunday is a little bit bearish days for Bitcoin. Historically speaking, from the previous data, is that Bitcoin always like to dump in the weekends. So That's something to point out, really important point to point out. So be careful. And if Vechain does come down to this line, I would recommend an entry would be recommended. Okay, if it does come to touch the line, because you're going to be buying at the support level of that coin. Okay, so buying at supports is recommended, selling at the resistance is recommended. Buying at the resistance is a big no, and selling at the support is a big no as well. So that's it for the update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.